Hello friends, good evening. Welcome back to our channel LP Talks. This is your Lakshmipati. Today we have our guest Karthik with us. So he is an electrical engineer. So this is our second combination. So we already made one of the video, and in this video we are going to discuss different electrical devices in the railway network. For example, say consider Indian Railways. So in the Indian Railways, from pantograph to the end using, the end utilization, what are the different devices are present. So pantograph is there, main transformer is there, and then different small transformers are there, and we have control panels and motors, traction motors. There are different varieties in the series. What are the items are available. So we discussed all the items in a brief manner, and we given the ratings of the items also. Motor means what is the kilowatt hour of the motor, blower means what is the rating of the blower, transformer means what is the kVA, voltage levels, and different LV combinations, and some filters, harmonics, and some details in a general manner we discussed. So I hope the content is very informative for you. So watch this video till the end. If you have any questions or comments or anything, then comment in comment section. And if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to this channel so that you will get notifications whenever I am uploading the videos. If you want to be a part of member on this channel, if you want to share your knowledge, then also do message me. I will make a plan for that. Yeah, keep watch this video. Hi Karthik.
Hi, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah.
are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very nice. Happy to see you. Yeah, we are meeting again
Ah,
once more.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was a little bit busy in prototype handling, sir.
Yeah. No issue, no issue.
So, in
Very
one
nice.
shot, all the prototype inspection are coming, sir. So, I was
Yeah,
little bit busy, sir.
yeah. I understand. I understand. Very nice.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
good. How are things going on there?
Yes, sir. Already for control panels, we are also making, sir.
Okay.
Like for
Good.
electric locos, we are making control panels HB1, SB1, SB2, HB1, HB2.
Okay.
So three panels are completed, sir. So
Okay.
another three panels are pending. So
Okay.
transformer is also coming in coming months.
Okay.
So
Very good.
little bit busy in making documents and everything, sir.
Very nice.
So
Very nice.
railway procedure is very huge, sir.
Yeah. That's true. That's true. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is, I think, our first session on this railway products. So
Ah,
yeah, we planned, I think, around 7 to 8 sessions on railway related different things. I think
yes, sir.
every month we have one topic. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah, very nice, very
So
nice.
today I have made the first topic, sir. So different
Yeah,
types of items
yeah,
in
yeah,
three-phase
yeah,
electric.
yeah, yeah. Karthik, yeah, you start speaking because you can speak better. Yeah, it's your
Yes,
turn
sir.
here.
Yes, sir. So, hi, sir. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah.
So today we are going to discuss about different types of electrical items used in three-phase electric locomotives, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
So in
Mm-hmm. So,
the next,
Karthik, here, the loco is almost a single phase, right? Or it's like three phase?
no, sir. It's a three-phase, sir.
Uh-huh. But overhead lines, whatever electric we have, it is generally single phase, right?
Yes, sir. It's a single phase from 25 kV overhead line. It will come
Uh,
to the main transformer, sir.
okay.
So from it will convert to the three phase.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
The three phase is fed for the traction motors and other electrical equipments inside
Okay.
the electric loco, sir.
So they are going to use one Scott connected transformer inside for
Yes,
conversion.
sir. Yes, sir. It's a big transformer. So it
Okay.
is motor slung of the engine.
Okay.
So it's 25 kV line voltage to the three phase electric voltage, sir.
Okay. Got it.
Overview of the whole presentation. So we
Yeah,
will
yeah.
discuss based technology for traction applications. Next, pantograph and transformers, blowers, and control panels, sir.
Okay, okay, very nice. Yeah,
Uh, but in earlier days, in electric locomotives, they used DC traction motors, sir,
okay, okay.
traction
Mhm.
purposes. But now they are shifted into AC traction motors because the DC traction motors having drawbacks in it consists of a brush gas and commutator. So due to this, it has an inherent problem of brush gear and commutator and low power to the weight ratio. And
Yeah,
DC motor is designed with low voltage and high current design, sir. Due to this,
yeah,
so the large conductors for using large conductors, the losses of the DC motors is also increased.
yeah,
So by considering these drawbacks, they have shifted into AC traction motors.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay.
So in the next slide, we will see AC traction motors, sir.
Yeah, in the commutation also we have, I mean, some
Yes, sir. Yeah.
sparking and all takes place. So
Yes, sir.
if it is a
And it
high
is
voltage,
designed for
yeah, if it is high voltage, chances of sparking and everything is very high. Yeah,
yes, sir. And we are also DC motor is run in low speed only. In high speed, it gives us some problems, sir, due to
okay.
the commutator and brushes.
Yeah,
We
that's true.
run the
That's
DC motor as in a high speed, sir.
okay,
So
okay. Mm-hmm.
drawbacks of the DC traction motors.
Okay, so that's why most of the things in the world are AC, right? Almost now they have
Yes, sir.
shifted.
Nowadays, all three-phase electric locomotives are using AC traction motors, sir.
Okay, okay. Is anywhere in India DC is there? In
Uh,
any eastern country or anywhere? I mean,
Maybe,
Kolkata.
sir. Maybe in Indian Railways, they are shifting into all AC traction motors. I have seen in electric shed also. So they
Okay,
are using AC traction motors only.
okay,
So DC not there, sir.
okay. That's good. Yeah, but in world, I think some of the countries, European countries,
Yes, sir. Some of the
they are
countries may be
using
using. Yes,
still
sir.
with the DC because they started
Yes, sir.
yearly with the DC. All the
Yeah.
setup, everything. I think they are continuing with DC only. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So this is the why technology is changed into three-phase electric traction motors
Mm-hmm.
because consist of a robust design and it requires little maintenance and there is no moving parts apart bearings. So there is no commutator, there is no brushes.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
shifted into electric traction motors, AC electric traction motor. And due to the absence of commutator, there is no restriction on the speed. So AC traction motors, we can operate at 4,000 RPM. In DC motors, it will only about 2,500 RPM, sir. So this
Okay,
is the one.
okay. One of the
So
limitation with DC speed is the limitation.
yes, sir. So in DC motors, there is a limitation in bar to bar commutator bar to bar voltage, sir. So
Okay,
in AC,
okay,
so it is not there due to the absence of commutator. So we can increase the current and we can reduce the sorry, we can increase the
voltage.
voltage and reduce
Yes, yes.
the current. So the conductor size is also reduced and the losses are also reduced, sir, in AC traction motors.
Yeah, 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 it
So
offers flexibility also.
yes, sir. It and the speed control is also we can achieve easily, sir, in AC traction motors.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. That's true. We can get a higher speed also.
Yes, sir. We can achieve higher speed. So there is no apart from bearing, there is no moving part like commutator and brushes.
Yeah,
So we can
yeah.
achieve, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah, the picture, whatever it is there on right side, that is generally the traction motor, right? AC traction
Yes,
motor.
sir. This is a traction motor, and it has one blower, sir. In upper of the image, there is a
Uh-huh.
one
Yes, yes, yes.
shape.
Yeah,
Uh,
we have one blower.
Yes, it is used for to cool down the traction motor, sir. It's forced
Oh,
air cooling.
Okay.
So one blower will place at the top of the traction motor. One duct will come, so
Okay,
that
okay.
duct integrate into that rectangular
Box.
shape. So we can cool the traction motor by using traction motor blower, sir. So in
Okay.
next
Yeah.
it is there.
Yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm.
So one of the again one of the electrical item is used pantograph, sir. So this mounted on the roof of the electric train or
Okay.
tram.
Okay.
So it has its working mechanism is like scissors, sir. So normally we use scissors. So
Yeah,
if you
yeah.
open, so both angle will open. If we close the scissor, both the angle will.
Okay.
So it is simply uses that mechanism.
Okay.
Consists of it consists of a metallized carbon strip. From
Okay.
that we can draw the current from the overhead line.
Okay.
So it is upper arm and lower arm and guiding rod, and below of the traction motor it consists of supporting insulators and everything.
Yeah.
Insulation between upper part of the train and electric live conductors, sir.
Okay.
There are two types of pantograph. One is single arm and double arm. So nowadays using double arm due to because of double arm has more advantages rather than the single arm, sir.
Okay. So Karthik, here the upper arm or lower arm that will carry the voltage and current? Live part?
No, sir. Yes, sir. This upper metallism carbon strip.
Mm-hmm.
It will collect using one guiding rod is there, sir.
Yes. Yeah, guiding rod is there.
From guiding rod, it will carry the current and it will pass through the circuit breakers. Vacuum circuit breaker is there, and AC is will come on the other side.
Okay. So here
goes to the main transformer, sir.
Upper arm, lower arm is just for support. The guiding rod will collect
just is for the moving mechanism, sir. One
yes.
pneumatic valves will come. So and it will close, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Operation seems very simple, but yeah, good. So almost it is 25 kV, right?
Yes, sir. Overhead line is 25 kV line.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
From the pantograph, the power will goes to the main transformer, sir, first.
Okay.
The 25 kV line will go to the main transformer, and there are two tappings. One is for traction motor power supply, that is 1268 volts.
Okay.
For the traction motors, to run the traction motors.
Okay.
Another one is auxiliary lines, that is 1000 volts. So 25 kV it is stepped down to 1268 volts and 1000 volts, sir.
Okay. So this is a three-phase transformer, right?
Yes, sir. This is the three-phase transformer. It is mounted in underslung, sir. Underslung of the tram or train, sir.
So it is under base, right?
Under base, sir. It will mount under base, sir.
Okay.
From up the top of the enclosure, sir, there are mounting holes, and so it will the vibration pads will come on the top of the enclosure.
Okay. Yeah. So before this transformer, we will have that Scott connected transformer, right? From single phase to three phase connection.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That will there, sir, in between. So the primary line current will flows from the pantograph. Then it will goes to the vacuum circuit breaker and rope of the bushing into the primary main transformer, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So this is the normal rating of the main transformer, sir. This is for locomotives. WAG 9 means it's a goods locomotive.
Okay.
So WAG, so it is a goods vehicle, sir. So WAG 9 means it's a goods train.
Okay.
So they are using This is the kVA rating is 6531 kVA transformer, and
Okay.
voltage is 25 kV, and
Okay.
current is 51 amps, sir. So
Okay.
traction motors, there are 4 traction motors in one electric loco.
Okay.
So they have used 4 into 1449 power and 1269 voltage and
Mhm.
1042 amps current, sir, for
Okay.
each traction
Okay.
motor.
Yeah. So why we will need a like 4 motor? Is it like a parallel connected 4, or how it will be there, Karthik?
Sir, the motors are separately installed at the 4 wheels.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Supply is taken from 4 tappings in transformer, sir.
Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. So got it. Got it. Okay.
There are 4 separate motors, sir.
Okay. Okay. So what is this BUR and filter?
Sir, that I don't know, sir. BUR
Oh.
and filters.
Yeah. 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 Generally, we are
That is
using.
also a new thing for me.
Yeah. Yeah. I think we may have some filters for harmonic purpose and everything. For that.
Harmonics filter and used
Yeah.
for transfer.
Yeah. 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 That
And
BUR.
total weight of the
Yes.
transfer.
The BUR can
Total weight
be
of the
sometimes
transformer, sir.
reactor. BUR can be reactor
Reactor, sir.
also
Sir.
for reducing or limiting the current.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It's like a choke, sir.
Yeah.
Choke.
Yeah. It like a choke maybe. Yeah. Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah.
And
So
the total weight of the transformer comes around 1000 kgs, sir.
yeah, 9450 kg, right?
9450, sir.
Yeah.
Roughly.
Almost 9500
And
kg.
the ratings for WAP 5 and WAP 7 loco transformers, sir. It is a passenger transformer. WAP
Okay.
means passenger railway.
Okay.
So they have used 7475 kVA transformer, and voltage is also remains same, sir. But
Okay.
current will vary.
Yeah. Based on rating, current will vary.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Same,
Yeah.
sir.
So the voltage here, the secondary voltage also still same, right? Rating is
Yes, sir. Secondary. Yes, sir. Secondary voltage is also remain same, sir. For traction motor, it will remain same, sir.
okay. Uh-huh. Got it. Okay. So internally for hotel also they kept separate load in the
Yes, sir. For
passenger.
hotel load will also comes in passenger trains.
Okay.
So for they have step down the voltage, sir.
Okay. Some other mechanism they may be using. So 750 volts or 960 volts they are stepping down.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The 750 volts is goes to the another transformer, sir. Another transformer will comes for coaches 60 kVA, 9 kVA, 15 kVA.
Okay.
So 750 power will goes to the that transformer, and they will step down to 415, sir.
Okay.
So that 415 will another goes to the um, that will goes to the electric panels, sir.
For all the control boards.
And yes, sir, and battery chargers they will goes to the 415, sir.
Okay. Got it. That 960, or it can be 960 also.
960, no, sir. 166.
Okay. Yeah. I think here we have forced cooling also, right? Karthik? Hello? Karthik, are you able to hear me?
60 kV transformer will uses 7. Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
So those 60 kVA transformer uses 750 by 415 only, sir. So
Okay.
960, I think there is no, sir.
Okay. Got it. Yeah. I think here in passenger transformer, local transformer, they have some forced cooling also, right? 7775 rating.
Yes, sir. For the main
Pa-
transformer, they are used the forced oil cooled.
Yeah.
Then the 60 kVA transformer and lower transformers will all are dry type, sir.
Okay. That is no fans,
Only
right? For that 60 kV, no, no fan.
It's fully it is fully comes with enclosure, sir.
Okay.
So it is a IP5 protection transformer.
Okay.
So dry type transformer, sir.
Okay. Okay. IP55.
IP65, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay. Higher protection again.
Yes, sir. It comes IP65 with IP65.
Okay. For that 60 kVA transformer, are they are giving any forceful cooling through blower or anything, or it's like normal cooling only?
No, sir. It's a normal cooling, sir.
Okay.
So developed 5 types of transformers, sir. So 60 kVA, 10 kVA, 15 kVA, and 3 kVA, 5 kVA.
Okay. Okay.
Comes with a complete covered with an enclosure. So
Got
it's very much. So we have conducted tests in CPRI, so
Okay.
IP60 and everything, sir.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it.
It's a dry type, sir. Dry type, completely dry type.
Yeah. 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 Understand. It is cast resin, right? Resin type.
Yes, sir. Resin, sir. Resin
Okay.
type.
Yeah. 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 Yes, Karthik. Proceed.
So next comes blowers, sir. So in locomotives, they have used different blowers for the different cooling systems.
Okay.
So first OCU, sir, it's a oil cooling unit. So it is comes with impeller and 30 kilowatt AC induction motor.
Okay.
So it is used to cool down the transformer oil and other oil systems, so used for other purposes, other machines.
Okay.
So you use for cool down the oil of the transformer and other purposes. And next one is traction motor, sir. It is it will also comes with impeller and 25 kilowatt AC induction motor.
Okay.
So it to cool the traction motor, sir. So in earlier slides we have seen traction motors upper part of the
Yes.
traction motor. There is a rectangular shape.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
from this traction motor blower, one duct will go and it will place on the top
Motor.
of the. So
Yeah.
it will cool the traction motor, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Next one is machine room blower. So it is used to cool down the machines, different machines installed inside the engine. So it is used to cool down the electronic parts, and it will keep the electronics parts below 70 degrees Celsius, sir.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Got
Blower will comes with impeller, and it has a 3 kilowatt induction motor.
Okay. Okay.
Next scavenge blower for machine room blower, it comes with a 0.75 kilowatt AC induction motor.
Okay.
So it is used dust from the air filters of the machine room blower, sir.
Okay. Okay. Scavenge blower. Scavenge means what? That is what is the meaning?
It means small, sir. Small blower will small size blowers.
Okay.
So it is named as a scavenge blower, sir.
Okay. Okay. So for all the things we need an induction motor.
Yes, sir. All are having induction motor only. One 30 kilowatt motor and 25 kilowatt motor, 3 kilowatt motor, and 0.75 kilowatt motor, sir.
Okay. That motor we are using for sending air, right? Like blowing air.
For the motor shaft, impeller will coupled, sir.
Okay. Okay.
So it will suck the air and it will give to the output, sir.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it. Are we using any pumps in the traction? I mean, this electrical engine, loco engine, any oil pump or anything for forced cooling or anything?
Sir, for main transformers, they have used one oil pump, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Sir.
Okay.
They have used oil pump, oil converter, oil pump. They have used, sir.
Okay. Okay. Very nice. Yeah.
So last electric things are control panels, sir. So this for to control the various things in electric locomotives.
Okay.
So we will see the SB1 and SB2, sir. It's a control cubicle, SB1 and SB2.
Okay.
So it provides the interface to the locomotive devices like pantograph, traction converters, auxiliary converters, and pneumatic panels, and control electronics, sir. So it will control the pantograph when the pantograph has to actuate and when the pantograph cut off. So all the control you will make using SB1 and SB2 panels, sir.
Okay.
So an SB2 panel, one FDU will come, fire detection unit will come. So it will detect if any fire occurs in the any electric part. So it will detect the fire and it will cut off all the damaged electrical items, sir.
Okay. Okay.
This panel contactor will come and minimum voltage, maximum current relay, earth
Yeah.
fault relay, all are integrated in this panel, sir.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. If any electricity fails, then no power is there, then they will have alternate diesel or anything in this engine, or any idea on that?
No, sir. I think they don't have any diesel
Okay. Okay.
in that cases, sir.
Yeah. Generally, I think power may not fail in this case, railway case.
Yes, sir. They have
Okay.
one separate substation in every certain places, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
For the overhead lines, they have one separate substation.
Yes. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Here, what is this push pull operation? I mean, some control panel.
Yes, sir. In earlier days, we have seen only one engine will pulls the all the
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yes.
trains. But in
Yeah.
nowadays, at the end of one will connect, one engine will comes in front and another engine will placed at the other side of the
Yeah.
loco, sir.
Yeah.
So there
Yeah.
are two engines will come. So
Mm-hmm.
panels will gives the communication between that engine and the front engine, sir. So that
Okay.
is called full operation, sir.
Why we need two engines? I mean, is this for one direction, other direction, or both will
Yes, sir. It is for the both directions.
Okay.
So engine will go in one direction. If we want opposite direction, so another engine will
Yeah.
drag
Yeah.
the.
Yes. But in opposite direction means again we have to take the engine and we have to connect the bogie at the backside, right?
Yes, sir. In earlier conditions, this happens. So nowadays, full operation is going on, sir.
And okay, okay. I mean, if the engine is there, then simply back engine also can pull it or push it, something
Yes,
like
sir.
that. Okay, okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So
Got
they
it.
are used now. They have installed a push-pull operation, sir.
Okay, okay. Got it, got it.
So SB1 and SB2 panels used for this purposes.
Yeah, yeah. Very nice. It's very clear. Yeah.
So panels will auxiliary cubicle HB1 and HB2, sir. So it consists of circuit breakers and contactors, switches. So it is used for to control the several auxiliary assemblies of locomotives like machine room blower and traction motor blower and oil cooling unit. So this will control all the blowers and some of the compressors and crew fan, cab heater, etc. So it is also consist of a same contactor and earth fault relay and maximum current relay. Below one chamber is there, sir. So HB1 in HB1 panel. So below one door is there.
Yeah, yeah, it's there.
Inside the door, one 15 kV transformer will come. So it uses 750,000 volts and it will give the output of 190 and 415, sir.
Okay, okay.
So it is used for the other purposes.
Okay, okay. Got it, got it.
So at the side of the panel, there are connectors, sir. So our cables of the traction motors and everything, sir. So inside one circuit, all the circuit breakers will come.
Okay, okay. What are these compressors?
Sorry, sir.
Compressors. What are these compressors? This is for
So
ACs or what?
compressors are used for ACs only. So
Okay.
it is fully operated with AC only, sir.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it. Proceed, Karthik.
So next panel is used the filter cubicle.
Mm-hmm.
So this filter cubicle is comes with high range of capacitors and current sensors, contactor, and surge arresters. So
Okay.
it is used to reduce the harmonics present in the main transformer, sir. So
Okay.
primary of the main transformer. So it will
Mm-hmm.
reduce the harmonics if occurs in the main transformer.
Okay. 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 So this may be connected in series with the secondary, right? Secondary of transformer or what?
Primary of the transformer, sir.
Okay. Okay. Primary of the transformer itself, they are connecting.
Yes, sir. To
Okay.
reduce the harmonics present in the main transformer.
Okay. Then it may be 25 kV, right? Or 25 kV is
Yes,
this.
sir. Yes, sir. It's a big panel.
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
consists of uh, high range of capacitors, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Surge
Okay.
arresters, contactors, sir.
Yeah, because it is taking current and voltage from the pantograph,
Yes, sir.
so it
Yes,
has
sir.
to
Yes, sir.
sense everything.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Very nice. Yeah.
So the next panel is F cubicle, sir. So it's
Mm-hmm.
a small panel
Mm-hmm.
comes under the driver's cab, sir.
Okay. Uh-huh.
It will interface between the driver's control desk and control panels SB1 and SB2, sir. So it
Okay.
will give fault detection to the drivers if any fault happens in the inside the electric loco. One roof will there, sir. So
Mm-hmm.
for electric and blowers. So if
Yeah.
any faults happens, it will give the detection to the driver,
Driver.
sir.
Mm-hmm.
It will come so near the driver's cabin only.
Okay.
So it will give the indication to the drivers if any faults happens.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it.
So these
So
are the control panels. Various control panels are used in three-phase electric locomotives. So
yeah,
to
yeah,
control engines, sir, whole
yeah,
engine.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Very nice. Yeah, very nice, Karthik. You covered
Yeah.
most of the details from overhead lines to the pantograph and main transformer, and then some of the devices what are we are using in the loco and all.
Yes, sir.
You come,
Blowers and
yeah, blowers and all.
control panels.
Yeah, yeah, very nice, very nice. Good, good, good
Thank you,
presentation.
sir.
Yeah, it will give some understanding to the some electrical engineers like you or me or any persons. They get some idea
Yes, sir.
what are the things there in the railway.
Yes, sir. What are the engines inside
Yeah,
the panels and blowers will installed in one engine only, sir.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
It is a only narrow space to walk and repair these panels and blowers, sir. So we have gone inside the engine also.
yeah, yeah.
So narrow path only for walk-in, sir.
You just one person can go. That's it. He can't move that freely.
Only
Also,
one person will
yeah,
go
it's
inside the
difficult.
engine,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
if any faults will happen, only one person will have to resolve the problem, sir.
That's true because space constraint is there.
There is a space constraint, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. Nice, Karthik. Thank you. Thanks for your
Yes, sir.
time and this presentation. It's very nice. Thanks for sharing this. And yeah,
Yes, sir.
we will meet in next month with another topic, whatever it is there in the pipeline. Thank
Yes, sir.
you.
Sure, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Yeah, bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, bye. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. So I hope the video is informative for you. So this is first session, first video on this railway related products topic. So in the coming sessions, we are going to discuss many more railway aspects. I mean, electrical related. What are the different devices are there? Different products are there, and how to choose them, how to protect them, how to design them. So there are so many things in the railway itself. So this is one of the electrical web series we are planning. So keep this video and share this video, like this video. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching. We will meet in next video.